Hey there, all you cool cats and kittens. It's Miss LaRosa, and we're going to work on quarter three review topics today. The first topic that we've got to review for the third quarter is unit rates. Keep in mind, we did not get to teach you everything we wanted to because we had to stop going to school. So we're going to go through and review what we did teach you in quarter three, and then some things that we had planned for the end of quarter three are going to get pushed into the fourth quarter. The first thing we learned in the third quarter were unit rates. And what we learned with unit rates is that time is always going to be on bottom if you have it, and money's always going to be on top. Because when we're trying to figure out unit rates, we're trying to figure out how much for one. We're trying to figure out how much something is for one, where that one is always going to be in the denominator. So on our first problem, it says Nakaya bought 3 pounds of apples at Safeway for $7.20. How much did 1 pound cost her? There's two different ways that we can solve this. The first way that we told you guys how to solve unit rates is by just dividing. Remember, money is always on top. So that $7.20 is up top, and then the 3 pounds is on the bottom. And all we do is divide. So let me get out my calculator. So we can divide $7.20 divided by 3. And we see that 1 pound then is going to cost her, 1 pound is going to cost her $2.40. So it'd be $2.40 for 1 pound. All we have to do is divide. The next one, James's family is driving to New York City. They drove 600 miles in 10 hours. How far did they drive in 1 hour? So again, we need to set up a ratio. One of the hints that I gave you was time is always on bottom. So for this one, what number is going to be on bottom? 600 or 10? 10 is going to be on the bottom because that's my time. 10 hours. And then up top is going to be my 600. You could divide this like we did in the last one, or you could also set up a proportion to solve this, because we're trying to figure out how many miles for 1 hour. We've been solving a lot of proportions in this quarter, so we would solve this just like normal. First, we would do that butterfly multiply. So I take 600 times 1, which is 600, and have that equal to the other side. 10 times our unknown is going to be 10x. Then we draw our river of love to solve. I got to get that x by itself. Inverse operations, I divide by 10. We see that x would be equal to 60. So that means that they would drive 60 miles in 1 hour. That's just a quick little review. If you need extra help with that, please send us an email. Let us know. We'd be more than happy to do that for you. Otherwise, go ahead and go on to the practice activities.